Today I found this business card in my home, which is looking really not so super cool. So that's why I thought I should try to redesign it. Then I clicked a picture of this business card and imported it into Adobe Illustrator. After importing it into Adobe Illustrator, I cropped the image. Then I'm trying to redesign the logo to make it better because the above logo is not showing anything related to speed, related to plumbing. So there is a major keyword is speed, and this is the name of the company, so that's why we have to stick on that. Now after selecting the font, I'm trying to design such as arrows so that I can show the speed to the user using S and P. I am using this space to show the arrow, to show the speed. I'm working on the every little detail. Hey, can you do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button? I created one more step, and on the next step I'm cropping this arrow between the fonts. Do you know why I'm creating the steps? So that if there is any kind of issue on a particular step, I can do work on that particular step, so that I don't need to press command or control plus Z again and again to rework on any previous steps. Now our logo is almost ready. Now there are two kind of color combinations which is related to the original branding, that is red. Another one is blue. Blue I'm selecting because it is related to plumbing company. Plumbing company means it is related to water, and water is cool, and so that's why I'm using the blue color, which represents the plumbing and the water. No worries, we'll do work on the both of things with the red color and with the blue color, but first I'm gonna work with the blue color. Logo with the blue color is ready. You can take a look. There is an arrow between S and P which represents the speed. For me it's looking nice. That can be a reason because I created it. Why? You can let me know down below in our comment section if this one is looking nice or the previous one is fine. Now I'm creating the business card. For creating the business card, I created a new canvas. In that canvas I'm pasting the things. I'm gonna write the content which is necessary for this business card. Hey, can you do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button? As you can check on the screen, I'm also creating the color palettes so that I can use it if there is any other kind of branding things. After creating the one side of the business card, I'm starting work on the second side of the business card. There are a lot of things which we need to add on the business card, but first of all we have to take a look what is important for the business card. Because I don't want to make a business card look busy, so that's why I'm using a lot of free space, a lot of negative space in that, or you can say white space in that. Hey, can you do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button? After managing everything, you can take a look at that. Now our new business card is looking pretty nice. So this is the newly designed business card. On both sides you can find a lot of space. Now let's working on the second color combination, that is a red and orange. For this time I'm using the gradient with our new one more logo is created with the help of red color, and which preserve the original color of the business card of the friending. Now I'm designing the business card using the same colors. I am trying to do practical with the different kind of colors in there, such as a almost light yellow color and the red color, but it's not looking nice, so that's why I selected the background color of one side, that is a black, which is not so fully black, I can see. And then there are only few things which we need to take care about, such as the logo and the color that is blue, which we need to change it into red, so I'm doing that. Hey, can you do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button? So our new business card is also done. You can rate my work, which one is looking better, blue one, original one, or the red one. So I designed both of the copies. You can let me know what's your view about that, and please rate me in the comment section if you like this new branding, if you like new redesigned business card. Also share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your family and friends. I really need your support. Thank you so much for watching this complete tutorial. See you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.